Yeah,
I'll
I
introduce
just started
myself.
now.
So,
What?
okay. I'm super popular and I'm gonna give you views.
Yes, guys, this is my very popular friend. You guys should definitely subscribe to me.
Yeah, and I'm gonna give my subscribers to you. Okay.
Yay.
He's here. He's talking. I'm studying. Oh, okay. 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 Oh, you can talk with him.
Okay.
Come on, check it out.
Fuck, I wanted to like. Oh, can I swear? I'm so sorry. Now your videos are ruined.
No, I'm not even recording.
Oh, okay, okay, then we're good.
It's okay as long as you want to swear in your videos.
Yeah, I think my
I'm not
viewers would
recording.
think that I swear my videos, but my viewers are like 3 people, so it's okay.
Yes, they're cool and they should subscribe to me. Trust.
Yes.
Oh, what skin do you have?
No idea. It looked cheap, so I got it. Oh, paramedic, paramedic.
Trust. Wait, did you play this without us?
No, no, I've been playing with you guys. It's all the money I made when I was playing with you guys.
We played once, I
We
think.
played. Oh,
I
I
don't
played with
remember. I don't
Dutch
know.
a few times actually.
Oh,
Oh, he's moving.
I'm gonna. I mean,
I can't
I
wait.
type so bad.
Don't worry.
No, I'll do it.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
fine. Look, I'm gonna do. No, wait. I can't do room 8 or like. Yeah, I can do 6 or 7, but I'm not gonna
Six,
do 8 because I
seven.
don't know how to.
Ah. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Where did the guy? Oh, he's in
I didn't need to touch the one on the floor.
here.
Oh, you're the only ones with the Robux skin.
What?
Only me and Dutch are the only ones with the Robux skins. Not Secret Agent and Peppers.
Ah, don't worry, you
So
guys
cool.
got this. Um,
Okay, get the and the other one needs eye drops. Can I do this one?
yeah, sure.
Bro, he's not even treating, he's taking all the coffee.
Oh my, bro, where is
Tell
he?
him to not. How much sanity do you have?
59. I'm still good. Where did
Oh,
bro
I'm
go?
at 7.
Ah,
I'm at 7.
wait, how?
Oh, okay, done. Cause the head nurse kind of gets a lot of sanity, but the secret agent gets the most, I think. Or the
Ah,
surgeon, I don't know.
okay, yeah. That's very, very bad. Oh, there he
Wait,
is.
my laptop is so hot. The per
I'm so. Oh, damn, he shot me.
Whoa!
Um, sorry, it's I'm like super
Don't
racist.
shoot it. Don't shoot. You know, I got the camera anomaly today. I got a camera guy. You know, it like pulled me towards the camera anomaly.
What?
It was scary. So,
Oh yes,
oh
guys.
my god!
Who's
I
employee
want
of
to
the
screenshot that.
day?
Wait, how do I
How is
screenshot again? Oh,
with
I got
full
it.
screen?
I
Yeah.
got this. That was crazy.
I'm feeding spiders. Guys, I trust Finn. I think he's good.
Who's
Yeah,
who's been?
he's good.
Oh, by the way, this is my first time using WASD keys. I used to use arrow
WASD.
keys, but
Why would you use the arrow? Oh,
yeah,
the arrow keys are okay. They're
I
decent.
was stupid and I was little. Okay, now I'm grown and I'm gonna use WASD, and it's kind of way easier because the
No.
E and the W. Funny guy.
I
Ew,
love run from
I like the
accounting,
buttons.
and I don't mean that.
Run! I love that too. Ew.
Run from accounting is my
That
goal
is
for real. On God, and I don't mean that just platonically, guys. He's hard. Any, this guy's not doing his job. I swear.
uh, what what is going on?
Ooh, room five.
Oh, it's my game lagged and I took off like 4 cough syrups. I have 3 now.
Oh
I need to trash
no.
them all.
You might as well drink the other three.
I think I'm gonna waste them all.
Ooh,
Because the
bro,
salt
you
said,
take coffee.
whoa. That was enough.
I swear.
And enough. Who
Every time
did you
somebody
did you take
dies.
the coffee?
Nah, I didn't take
Did
coffee.
you take the coffee?
I think Dash
No,
did.
bro. Coffee. We're the ones with the low stuff. He has everything. He has a freaking gun. You don't need
Yeah.
coffee.
You know, you have a gun.
Just
Why would
make
you need coffee? You know, you're the safest person in the hospital.
exactly.
Ah,
Wow.
he needs it. Sure, man. I think you should call dibs because, like, when you call dibs, you automatically get it. Like, look,
Get what?
see, I'm gonna call dibs on the
Oh wow.
200 and he's never gonna get it. You see?
God. Okay, wait. I need to cheat this. Okay, I'm serious right now. Wait. Oh, stomachache. Eat the herb. Here's the
How
here.
do we open the second
Eat
part
it.
of the hospital?
Yes. I'm gonna open it. Don't, dude. Don't. Oh. Oh, I keep jumping. I'm stuck on jump. Stuck on
He's
jump.
stuck.
Wait, stop. Oh, okay, okay. I clicked ESC or escape. I'm good. I would have I don't want to keep jumping. It's gonna. Oh, oh my God. It's emotional text. Shock music. I never heard of it. Oh, gosh. I need to go
Damn.
faster than
Oh,
this.
wait.
Wow. I'm getting. No, I wanted the freaking matcha.
How is how is he like best every day? You know this Barney, man. I love Barney.
No, it's mine. It's mine. Give me.
Don't drink all of it. Like,
I'm,
can you leave
I,
one sip for like Barney?
yeah,
Oh, thank
I
you.
know. I know the game better than you do. Okay, I know this.
True, true. Yeah, I just learned really quick. Trust. Everybody should use me as an example for. Oh, damn! People bought stuff.
Okay, how much money do you have?
I have $163.
I don't have two. I just need two monies for that.
Dang, frick, fracker. Man, this is my
I have
channel, and this
190.
is fuckity fuck. You know.
Oh, training a little too much. Doesn't feel appropriate in a game like it's supposed to be so good.
Ew.
Like, oh, I'm gonna jump on it. No, I want to jump.
How? You know. How did he like guess it? You know.
But he's kind of like roll. Oh, he switched.
No way.
What?
This is insane.
What's the guy? Headbang. I'm gonna give it coffee. Oh, come on. Right, coffee.
Ooh, run from accounting. Yo, bro, I'm
But
gonna
I'm
need you
gonna
to leave.
assault. I'm gonna.
Yes, my
I'm,
turn, my
I'm
turn.
gonna.
You leave, bro. My turn.
Okay, okay, okay. I don't. Oh my god. Wow.
I might as
He,
well
see,
upgrade this
I'm the
bro.
favorite because he doesn't shoot me, okay?
I'm like,
Because I'm the.
I have too much money, you know.
Me too. I'm so rich. I
Mm.
could buy that. You know what I mean? No, he drank the whole coffee.
Oh, what?
But I'm gonna voice over the animals. I'm here for my appointments. I'll stamp it. Do it. I don't have anything to
I
do
have
right
the
now.
COVID, doctor. Yo, actually, I'm sick in real life. Can you guys like heal me?
Uh, Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna give you some cough syrup, okay?
Yay.
I'm gonna put it in your butthole.
What?
Like,
Let me see.
look at me.
Ah, no. No, not there, please. No,
Oh my god, wait, you just flew in my screen, bro.
I
Just
can't.
flew to the side.
I'm
Oh, do you
seeing
want to
cough
see
syrup
or
on my
hear
wall,
something
bro.
cool?
What?
We don't even have. Wait, wait, wait.
Oh, what
Wait,
is
turn
this?
your volume all the way up in the game.
Oh, okay, sure. I'm so scared.
Nothing's gonna happen.
Sure, man, I'm gonna try. What was
It's
that?
the oh the baby. That's how I. Oh my god! Look at the anomaly. Big
This is
ass
a
teeth,
Rathian, bro. Call Rathian anomaly. He's my ghost.
bro. There's another Oh my god! I can't talk. Anomaly. It was like a white cat.
White cat.
Why did he shoot me?
Cats would never be evil.
This fuck ass dude just shot me
Oh my
twice.
god. That almost got me. Damn, he shot me anyway. This is. I swear. Every day.
Yeah, he's like abusing his power.
Yeah,
I
we
hope
have
he
to.
runs out of bullets.
He missed and hit the patient. Sure, man. I don't know.
I hate that noise. Yeah, you can buy it for like 80 Robux.
Yeah, I don't have. I mean, I do have that
Pretty
kind of money, but like I- I'm
God.
Barney 7 1.
I'll do all bits on this. You know what other thing you should make a video of? That guessing game we played.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Man.
but not your voice. Okay, wait. Oh, this is my first time doing this one. Laptop. Okay. I literally just got this mouse today. Oh, I'm not fat enough. I'm not fat?
What?
I'm fat! I don't know what I'm saying. Wait, I'm bad under pressure.
Don't
I'm
worry.
doing the heartbeat thingy.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
cardiac
let me.
something. I don't
Oh,
know.
okay.
I suck at it.
Oh, that was stressful. I'm not gonna do room 7. You do room 7 and 8, please. I suck at that. I'm gonna do it. Maple syrup, you good ass.
Ooh, maple
I'm
syrup.
giving it. I wanna give it. Yay.
Did you just
I have a lot of
were you like on top
what?
of the door? How do you even like? Oh, okay, never mind.
Did you take care of the room 1? You give the room 1. Give your patient the food. I mean the medicine and herbs. my god.
Do you want it next? I'm like on 36.
Oh, I'm at 72. It's okay.
Ah, okay, okay. I'm next.
Oh, you're at 36. You need coffee, or else you'll never die.
What?
You need coffee.
Yeah, yeah, I definitely need it, you see, because I have this condition where if I don't drink coffee, I die in the game, you see.
Yes, I think everyone has that condition. Oh, the doctor.
Oh, yes.
Doctor. Yeah, his eyes look like his eyes look. Oh, is he talking to me?
No idea, but like I'm trying to get Dutch to kill this guy.
The doctor. Wait, neck hurt. Oh, he has to go. Okay, do we play or yeah?
I can close it. I don't know how long it's going, but like,
Okay, maybe for your video we should play to like 5. Oh, Maggie, come. No, Maggie outside.
yes. Damn. Oh, I had to go with him.
Where'd my phone go? Oh, Barney. I'm gonna give him coffee.
Oh, he had to go with like all those bangs, bro. I swear. I'm on 16%. Might as well end my misery.
Take the coffee.
Wake me up
Eh,
inside. Wake me up inside.
wow,
Oh my.
he's so sleepy, Barney. But I love Barney.
No, this taser does
And I'm
not do
gonna
Barney.
give me like 2 seconds. I'm gonna say bye to them.
Ah, wait. Oh my god, there's another
Why
taser.
do we?
I don't trust this dude.
Hey, get the coffee. Where did I do?
Oh no. Oh
Oh,
no. I didn't know I was
you
like
just kill
that
yourself?
low. I, I had no idea I was that low in sanity. I was like, I'm
I'm
just gonna
jumping
do
on
this
your
for
dead
fun.
body right now.
No, no,
I
that's
think you
so
should. I
mean.
think you should post this.
It's definitely going on the internet, you know. No editing, nothing, you know. Oh my, I had no idea I was
Having
that
so much
low
fun.
on sanity. Oh no.
I'm at 69%. Hey, stop ringing the bell. People are dead.
Go. I they should like warn you before you kill people, you know. Anyway, for my beautiful,
So,
beautiful fans, aka 3 people, how about I tell you guys a joke, okay? Why did the chicken cross the road? Because the